Hi, my name is Boyd, visiting the Jinan Blue Elephant Factory here in Jinan, China. And I'm from Denver, Colorado, United States. And I wanted to share with some of you watching some of the things that are really impressive to me about Blue Elephant. They were extremely helpful, Cindy, Gary, and the rest of the Blue Elephant team, in helping design a machine exactly to my specifications. Their attention to detail is great. It's an extremely busy factory, and they're producing lots of machines, and I could not be more proud to be receiving my own as soon as it gets on the ship and arrives in the United States in about a month. So my highest recommendation for Blue Elephant. Thank you.